Good morning. My name is urai deti. I'm from class morning B of Accounting class, Economy Faculty, University of Panchabakti, Pontianak. I'm here this morning to talk to you about an accounting issue that we feel is of great importance. My objective is not try to and persuade you to take a stand on this issue, but I would like to try and present this accounting case on to you in order to better educate all of you here on a very important accounting equation concern. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for allowing to me come before all of the accounting students of economics faculty of University of Panchabakti. For this accounting English, my topic today is how to apply the accounting equation in exam finally. Okay, the first topic I want to talk is what accounting is my dear listening accounting. What is accounting? Accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by user of the information. Do you understand? Have you any question? Okay, if there is no question, I want to proceed to question number 2. It's about accounting equation. Number 2, explains the accounting equation and how it works. The equation that is the foundation of double entry accounting. The accounting equation displays that all assets are either financed by borrowing money or paying with the money of the company shareholder. Thus, the accounting equation is asset liability plus shareholder equity. The balance sheet is a complex display of this equation, showing that the total assets of a company are equal to the total of liability and shareholder equity. Any purchase or sale by an accounting equity has an equal effect on both sides of the equation, or offsetting effect on the same side of the equation. The accounting equation is also written as liability. Asset means shareholder equity and shareholder equity asset means liability. The next topic is number 3. What is asset? Asset is a good thing, well as those who have a form of quasi owned by the company. Claim on intangible asset is called equity or equities that can bring benefit in the future. The next topic is number 4. What is liability? A liability is a present obligation of the enterprise arising from past event. The settlement of which is expected to result in a outflow from the enterprise resource embodying economy benefit. The next topic, number 5. What is owner equity? Owner equity is the residual interest in the asset of a business after liability are deducted. Equity represents the amount belong to the owner once all financial obligations have been met. The next topic is number 6. Component of asset, liability, and owner equity. Component asset is current asset, cash, marketable securities, account receivable, inventory. Fixed asset, land, buildings, machinery, vehicles, equipment, and other. Liability component. Certain loans from banks, account payable, tax debt, accrued costs, part of long-term debt maturities, accepted bias, other payables. Owner equity components. Shareholder equity classified into two important components of the deposit capital and retained earnings. The next topic, number 7. What is balance sheet? And give the example of balance sheet in English, and explains its component of the balance sheet. Balance sheet is show the financial position of an organization at a point in time. The example of balance sheet: asset, cash, account receivable, supply, land, liability, account payable, owner equity, capital, and total liability. Owner equity. Component of the balance sheet: asset, liability, and owner equity. The next topic is number 6. What is income statement? And give the example of income statement in English and explain its component of the income statement. The income statement is part of a company financial statement, resulting in an accounting period that lay out the element of income and expenses the company result in a net profit or loss. The example of income statement: sales less cost of goods sold, gross profit less operating expenses, salary and employees benefit, depreciation, rent and utilities, advertising, other expenses, operating expenses, operating income, income before interest and tax, less interest expenses, net income before income tax, less income tax, net income. Component of the income statement: fees, earned and operating expenses. Part C. Number 1. What book are used by you in studying English for accounting? What do the book teach you? Frankwood Business Accounting, Principle of Accounting, Cards as Warren Accounting. Number 2, what lesson have you got from studying English for Accounting from Mr. Adi Mursalin, my English lecturer? I get a new lesson learning via the internet. Also, previously I do not understand, but I try to understand. Number 3, what is your opinion about Adi Mursalin, you lecturer of Accounting English? My opinion about Mr. Adi Mursalin. Mr. Adi Mursalin taught me to learn to speak English over the internet. Mr. Adi Mursalin could also still giving time for use who did not do his job. Okay. Here is a sample script for use in closing your presentation. As I bring my accounting English forum to a close, I once again to thank you for allowing me to be heard this evening, and hope that this activity has given you a much clearer understanding of how to apply accounting equation in exam finally. I would welcome the opportunity to return with another group of students to present a different accounting English forum topic in the near future. Okay, thank you.